Outstanding.
Welcome again to another tutorial video. It's your boy Eldorado and Ting. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button and select all notifications so you can get post notifications as soon as the videos are uploaded. Now in this tutorial video, I just go through like a breakdown of this reggae beat that I beat in FL Studio. So it's been a while. I know, a lot of people been asking me if I do reggae beats and stuff like that. So in this video, as I said before, me just so you can do FL Studio. Not just say FL Studio. You can do reggae beat in practical editing. But for this video, as we say, all right, the bugger chatting. Anyways, first and foremost on this, I'm at a key, a tempo of 86, and I'm playing in the key of G minor. So the first sound that we have on this list is a skank guitar sound from Sound Fingers. Yeah, Sound Fingers. Met this Lee skank guitar is the closest thing on the market out there pertaining to real guitar software, to in sound wise. So this is a must-have plugin if you do reggae beats. This Lee Skank, I think they have K5. I think a compatibility issue. They have one named K5 and K6, but practically they are the same. So this Lee Skank guitar, this is the chord progression that I have for it. And I added a vintage reverb to it, and with the coloration of this reverb is 1980s, in which at that era, we go back to, and 1.4 seconds decay time with 13% mixed on it. And I think I automate this reverb throughout the track. I put a limiter on it just to get it a little bit louder to where I actually needed it, because it wasn't that loud in the plugin. I also copied and pasted the same guitar, but I did it a slightly different way, in which I added Guitar Rig 5 to it with the Clean Plex preset, and I turned off the compressor and the equalizer shelving, and I adjust this plex thing up here, and adjusted the cabinet, and I also have the studio reverb on. So this is more like using a cabinet with a guitar. So the skank guitar is a hollow body guitar, so I'm not sure if there's any plugin out there that models that record hollow body guitar sounds. If you do, please do and leave a comment in this section below. And I also added an EQ, taking out some low mid frequency. So as I've said, it's a skank 2, same guitar. I actually duplicated, and this is what it actually sounds like now. Yeah, so it's just a variant. I layered it, but it's just a variant sound of the original sound that this library has come with, in which it's an awesome guitar sound. Anyways, then I have some hi-hats, 2-step hi-hats. I have some snare, and I have another snare variant. I have a kick. All these sounds come from the MT40 drum kit from Gold Baby. Yeah, from Gold Baby. You can check out the website. I'll be sure to leave a link below to where you can get these drum sound that they use in that particular era of the music, so you can really have that sound that I have also. Next sound on this list is bubble organ, and it's a sound from Contact stock library I used. The preset is I'm So Excited, and this is what it actually sounds like. And this is the chord progression. Next on this list is a clarinet sound from Scarby clavinet. Why I keep on mixing up those sounds? Scarby clavinet, yeah, and it's the lower one, and this is the chord progressions, and this is what it sounds like. Pretty much simple as is, you know. Reggae, it not necessarily consists more time of complicated things. It's just a simple groove going on, so nothing complex as how you would normally see when build beats. Next I have electric piano sound from Sample Tank 4, and this preset that I have enabled here is the 1974 Whirly Electric Piano, and this is what it sounds like, and this is what the chord progression looks like also. So I layered it with the previous piano to get a particular new sound, and I did not add any effects to it also. Next sound on this list is the bass. Now turn off the second bass. The first bass is a bass that was, it is highly known in the sling ting rhythm and variants of the sling ting rhythm. You can really YouTube it and you will find it, and you will hear a similar sound. I kind of played in a similar context, but I did not play it as the sling ting rhythm, but it is in a similar context. So this is what it sounds like, and this is the chord progression. And what I layered it with another bass that I call a sling ting bass 2 from Artura Mini V, and this is what it sounds like. Reason why I use this bass layered with this bass, and this is what layered bass sounds like without the layered bass. Wait. I did want to add some more depth to the bass, and Moog have a tendency if you have this creamy bass that adds body to. I don't remember which preset I selected, and adjust some parameters and just rename this as is. After that, I added a perk from the Rumba Ensemble Cuba Discovery series, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, just a perk. And the next one also is huge vintage drums, as you can see, from Sample Tank 4. It's somewhere around here. Drums. Yeah. Huge vintage drums, and this is what I just used from it. just two sounds, percussive sounds. And the next sound, this is what it sounds like. Next sound is a church organ sound from Chord church organ. The preset is it's very much thin, but I really like it. I'm very sure that you hear that in a lot of dancehall beats. That very nice thin sound. And Chord Chord workstation is known for their very thin sound, so that's why I went for that particular sound. And this electric percussion is a sound from Drum Drop's library. It's an electric snare, and this is what it sounds like. I'm very certain that you hear that in a lot of beats. So I guess that's about it. That wraps up what I used, and this is what the beat actually sounds like. And that's about it for this particular beat, and I hope you really enjoyed it. I haven't had the time, or haven't made much content pertaining to reggae, and I hope that I'll be able to do it in the future going forth. So as soon as I discover anything have to do with reggae, I'll be sure to make some content about it and post it on this channel. So without further ado, if you have any question or any suggestion pertaining to this video, please do leave it in the comments below. And thank you again if you have made it to the end of this video. Until next time, it's your boy Eldorado. Peace out.